Buying a business, expanding one, or just trying to get a straight answer on SBA loans? You're in the right place. My name is Daniel Park. I've helped entrepreneurs secure over $200 million in SBA financing over the past 15 years. This channel is where I break down everything the banks don't explain, from loan tips to approval hacks. So if you're a small business owner ready to grow, hit that subscribe button. And as we say in the South, let's get her done. Thinking about starting, buying, or expanding a business, but not sure how to actually fund it? You're not alone. Every day, entrepreneurs miss out on one of the most powerful financing tools out there, simply because no one ever broke it down for them. That changes today. Welcome to Loan to Launch, your go-to guide for unlocking the SBA 7A loan program and everything that comes with it. I'm Daniel Park, your host, and I live and breathe SBA lending. This isn't a side gig or something I used to do. This is my daily grind, helping business owners like you secure the capital to buy, build, or grow the business of your dreams. Now, if we haven't met yet, let me tell you a little bit about how I got here. I studied accounting and economics in college, and after graduating, I jumped into the world of finance in 2010 and found my calling in SBA lending just a year later, right in the middle of a recession. And let me tell you, there's no better time to learn than in the middle of chaos. Since then, I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs navigate the SBA 7A loan program from both the underwriting side and the lending side. And what I've found is this: when you understand how this program really works, you can unlock serious opportunities. But when you don't, the process can feel like a brick wall. So let's take it back for a second. The SBA, or Small Business Administration, has been around for over 70 years. Its mission is simple: support and grow small businesses in the US. Sometimes that support comes in the form of grants or training programs, but for many business owners, the most impactful tool is the SBA loan, especially the 7A loan program. Now here's where it gets tricky. SBA loans follow a massive set of rules, and those rules change regularly. Each time the SBA updates that rulebook, or what we call the SOP, every lender in the country has to adjust. But even though we're following the same playbook, every bank has its own interpretation. That's why 5 lenders might give you 5 completely different answers. They're not making it up. They just see risk and eligibility through different lenses. That's where this channel comes in. I'll help you cut through the noise, understand the system, and navigate it with clarity. I started Loan to Launch because, frankly, too many people don't know how powerful this program can be, and even fewer know how to actually use it. I've seen this program change lives, not once, but again and again. And I wanted a place to share what I've learned, give honest advice, and help you go from confused and overwhelmed to confident and prepared. So here's what you can expect from this channel. Every week, I'll be releasing new videos covering how the SBA 7A program works, real-world application tips, policy updates you need to know about, common mistakes to avoid, and step-by-step walkthroughs to help you qualify. If you're planning to buy a business, refinance debt, purchase real estate, or expand operations, you're in the right place. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below. If you need to reach out directly, you'll find my contact information in the description below. Thanks for being here. Whether this is your first step in the SBA process, or you've been down this road before, I'm here to help you make smarter moves and ultimately get you funded. Getting an SBA loan is like rounding up cattle. It takes a plan, the right tools, and sometimes a good partner. Because this journey, it's a big one, but it's also incredibly exciting and rewarding. So let's make sure you're ready for it. Until next time, take care.